Gwyneth Paltrow's significant courtroom drama follows Johnny Depp Amber Heard. The case concerning a 2016 ski accident involving Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow has witnessed astounding discrepancies and heartbreaking testimonies in just 1 week. A Hollywood actor's soap opera-like trial is making news months after stars Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's spectacular trial had the entire world glued to their phones. The case concerning a 2016 ski accident involving Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow has witnessed astounding discrepancies and heartbreaking testimonies in just 1 week. The lawsuit involves a skiing accident in 2016, and both parties, Ms. Paltrow and 76-year-old Terry Sanderson, agree that the other was at fault. In his $300,000 lawsuit against Ms. Paltrow, Mr. Sanderson alleges that the collision left him with a permanent brain injury and 4 broken ribs. Gwyneth Paltrow is countersuing Mr. Sanderson for a symbolic $1 in potential legal costs that might total hundreds of dollars. In court, Ms. Paltrow was questioned about whether she was good friends with Taylor Swift and whether the damages she was requesting were motivated by Ms. Swift's 2017 sexual assault lawsuit, in which the plaintiff requested $1 in damages. When asked if the damages she was requesting were symbolic, Ms. Paltrow acknowledged that they were. She explained that his lawsuit was an attempt to exploit her celebrity and wealth, adding that the losses would actually be greater than what he was seeking in damages. On the second day of the trial, it was discovered that the placement of a camera in front of Gwyneth Paltrow and her attorney violated the rules of court decorum. The court declared, "I do regard this as a violation, and I've requested that the reporter be informed that this is now interfering with our proceedings. The journalist would be asked to leave if it happens again." Ms. Paltrow claimed that as the two tumbled to the ground, it seemed like they were spooning, adding that at first she believed she was being sexually abused. An alternative account, put forth by Mr. Sanderson and his counsel, contends that the Goop founder skied out of control on a ski run she claimed to be familiar with in the past. Ms. Paltrow denied ever engaging in risky behavior. She questioned the witness' veracity and argued that she was the one who was hit after an eyewitness with a different version of the collision than Ms. Paltrow was called in. In a heartbreaking testimony, Mr. Sanderson's daughter claimed that the collision had resulted in a personality change in her father and recalled an interaction between him and his granddaughter during which he belittled her as she tried to close a car door. In addition to the conflicting testimony and tense encounters, the trial has drawn attention to Gwyneth Paltrow's courtroom attire, with some of her looks containing items from her own line. She used to conceal a $250 blue leather notebook.